Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As most of you are not subscribed, leave a comment, helps the video, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, I have everything that YouTube wants me to say out of the way. Today, we have buttermilk French toast. As you can see, I have added a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a cup and a half of buttermilk. And then we're going to add 5 eggs, actually 5 large eggs to be specific. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're just going to give this a good old whisk till everything is mixed. And that is the batter for our French toast. And as you can see here, I've dipped our Texas toast into the batter. And I'm griddling it up on the griddle over medium heat. Now, if you want, you could use day-old French bread. But I prefer to use Texas toast for French toast. That's just me. Okay, see everyone in a couple of minutes when these are all nice and fried up. And after a couple of minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. So, the recipe is incredibly easy, incredibly forgiving. It's perfect for dinner and perfect for breakfast. So next time you're a young man having a young lady over for the night, wake her up with this. Guarantee you'll get rewarded in the morning. So that's buttermilk French toast. Done.